To remove the armrest pad, raise the armrest and use a Phillips 2 screwdriver to remove the 2 screws underneath. Taking care to carefully align the sliding nuts within the armrest with the appropriate holes, put the new armrest in place. Slide the armrest to the required position and retighten the screws. If you need to remove the sliding nuts from within the armrest to place in a different channel, use the screws to carefully slide and pull the nuts out from the channel end. It is important to check all fittings are secure before use.